Hey there! Are you tired of battling stress every single day? Meet the game changer you've been waiting for. The unveil 6-head massage gun. Imagine coming home after a long, hectic day and melting your stress away in seconds. Sounds incredible, right? This little powerhouse is designed for anyone who juggles work, fitness, and life, and needs a quick, effective solution to unwind. With 6 unique heads working together, it covers more muscle area, giving you that deep tissue relief you crave. It's like having your personal masseuse on call. The secret sauce? Customization. With 9 modes and 9 intensity levels, you can craft the perfect massage for your needs. Whether it's a gentle neck massage or a deep tissue session for those sore legs after a workout, the unveil massage gun's got your back, literally. And let's talk about noise, or the lack of it. This gun operates at a whisper-quiet 35-45 decibels, so you can enjoy your relaxation time without the buzz of a noisy device interrupting your peace. Perfect for a serene evening at home or a quick break at the office. But wait, there's more. It's all about convenience. Thanks to its long-lasting 2000 mAh battery and quick Type-C charging, it's always ready when you are. Plus, its smart 10-minute timer ensures your sessions are not just effective but safe too. Now you might wonder, is it really as good as it sounds? Just ask the 170 reviewers who rated it an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars. Customers love the versatility and power packed into this sleek device. And here's the best part. It's currently available at a special price. Just $59.99 for a limited time, including an extra 10% off coupon. Who can resist such a steal? So are you ready to transform your relaxation routine? Don't let stress get the best of you. Click the link in the description and grab your unveil 6-head massage gun today. After all, you deserve to feel amazing every day. Remember, life's too short to be stressed. Melt that stress in seconds with unveil. Click now and feel the difference. Thanks for watching and happy relaxing.